Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a slime fidget. One of those slime fidget squishies. So yeah, without other balloons, because most people like they don't have balloons at their house. So that's all you'll need is any slime, but it can't be any beads, and it could be foam beads, but not like beads like this. I had to take them out. Some slime came out with it, but yeah. And you need rubber bands, maybe just 2 or 3. You need your plastic or saran wrap. They're the same thing, but yeah. So you want to lay out your plastic or saran wrap right like that. Now all you want to do is you want to roll your slime up into a ball, place it right in the middle, and go like this. Roll all the sides up. Like this. Then you want to pinch it and kind of twist it. Okay. And then you want to take your rubber band and you want to tie it. Don't tie it too tight though. You can easily use 1 or 2. I'm gonna use 2 so it could be so it could stay better and won't pop. And then you don't have to do this part, but you can get use some scissors and cut this part off. You don't want to do this. Okay, and there you go. So you can play with it. Yeah. That's how you make your slime squishy fidget. You don't have to use slime. You could use clay, kinetic sand, any Play-Doh, kinetic sand. Doesn't really matter. Clay, slime. But yeah. And after you start squishing it for a while, it'll get squishy like this. So yeah, that's how you make it. Bye.